Okay, here we go. Beginning our ascent to a secret viewpoint over Area 51, the famous Area 51 secret Air Force base in the high desert of Nevada, in the Groom Dry Lake. We're going to a viewpoint that is very obscure and only a few people have been here. It's not known. Most people go to Tickaboo Peak, but Tickaboo Peak has a weather station with a surveillance camera on it, and they use that to monitor to see who's up there watching the base. And they actually will call off test flights when they know people are up there, when they see them on the camera. So you won't get the chance to see secret flights probably if you go up there to Tickaboo. But this is not Tickaboo, this viewpoint. This has no cameras, nothing. So the security forces of the base shouldn't know we're here. They'll have no way of knowing. All they will know is that we tripped sensors on the road on the way out here. But it's a very rough road. We took our Jeep and had to go over a steep washout, and very few people come out here. Even the camo dude, security, probably doesn't come out here. And so I don't think we have to worry too much about that. This is a stealth recon mission of Area 51. So now we just have to climb the mountain, and then tonight we will break out the optics and see what we can see. Here we go. Okay, this is my final descent to the peak, the nameless peak. Walking toward the moon. Sun is setting over Area 51. I'm trying to get to this peak. Raven is back there. I'm trying to get to this peak before sunset, before sundown, to get a view of the first view of this base. There's the moon. Very beautiful out here, very clear and quiet. There's nobody for 30 miles in any direction except maybe Area 51. That's 26 miles away. So I'm racing up this mountain. Final ascent, here we go. Beat the sunset. Ooh, it's getting steep. Oh shit. Okay. Here we go. Look at that. Oh my God. Oh wow, dude. Oh my. Look at this. There's lights off in the distance. And further that way. I need to get the zoom camera on. Powerful camera so I can zoom in on that. I'm not sure if the lights in the distance of the base. Wow. This is intense. Look at this, the fucking top. I can't see much on this GoPro. It is a steep drop. Yeah, I don't know if you can see anything, but let's get the camera set up and get eyes on that base right down there. I think I see it. I see the lights. That's incredible. Okay, let's go find a camp spot.
There's lights way down there.
Yes. Can you see them?
Yeah. This looks like a spaceship or
The one on
something.
the left is the base. I don't know what the one on the right is. The one on the left must be Area 51. I assume that is a mystery base. We're gonna get a look at that. Maybe there's a second base. Fuck, I don't know. I'm curious about that now. I don't even know if that's in. That could be the gate. That could be the fucking gate. The gate entrance on
really?
Groom Lake Road. Yeah, dude.
Oh.
That might be the guard station. That's probably what it is. Fuck, this is a great viewpoint, dude. We see both the entrance and the base itself. You can see, look, see all the lights?
Yeah.
That's it, dude. It has to be the base. Is your camera picking that up?
Yeah.
Damn, this is incredible, dude. This is like another planet. It's like the Sith have arrived on this
It's
planet.
blinking lights.
The base?
Yeah, like a spaceship or something.
I know. We're going to see that probably.
Put your mask on.
Wow. Mysterious. Two mysterious lights, objects floating around over Area 51. Clearly moving. Not planets, not stars. Moving back and forth a little bit, and then one winks out. Maybe, helicopters? No. He's moving sideways a little. Oh, there he is again.
Huh?
There he is again. He just appeared. There they go.
UFOs, dude.
There's something. Experimental aircraft or something. I'm gonna sit here and watch them. They kind of separate. They drift apart, and then they wink out. I think it winked out again. Did it wink? It left. Went invisible. The one's always visible. The other one's gone again. Looks like we might have company. Car approaching in the distance, approaching fast. It's about 4:40 in the morning. We're worried that he might have spotted us. Could be a camo dude coming out to investigate. We're making we might have to make a quick exit here. Wanted to see the base in the morning. See what happens.
You have to climb this fucking mountain, dude.
Yeah, he wouldn't climb. He'd wait for us.
Huh?
He'd wait for us. He'd look for the car, and he'd
Where would you wait for us at?
by the car.
How would you get to the car?
He'd drive out there if he's really serious. But he could just be some guy out for crazy guy out for a morning ride in the desert, but it was kind of disturbing. Okay, there's our mystery visitor. Tickapoo. So I can focus that. It's just a blob of light from this thing.
I hear him, but I can't see him.
I thought I saw a light for a minute, but just faint.
He's in stealth mode.
I know, they're amazingly dark. That's probably a fancy helicopter, whatever those are they use. Black Hawk.
He's probably just doing his morning rounds.
You think so? Seems like an expensive. He's leaving again?
Yeah.
Wow, that's so weird.
Oh, they got the green light. Go get your camera. They got the green light. They got the light.
Oh, it's lit up.
Yeah.
Dude, they're coming alive. They need to be paranoid because of what happened. There's Grim Lake. Some mystery structures. Let's just pan across. There's the water tower. It's in focus. Nice. Let's go across. Okay, this is good now. There's some buildings, hangars. There's a runway. This is a super long runway. Longer than any military jet's known. Twice as long. It's not clear why they need such a long runway. Don't see any activity. It's probably too early. I said it's probably too early for much activity, right? Well, yeah, but I mean at the base itself. There was a lot of activity last night, but I was hoping to see some activity at the base. Maybe an airplane landing. Who knows? Yeah, it's just there's some water towers, just buildings. It's an airport. It's a top secret airport in the middle of nowhere on a dry lake. It's wild, but just to give you an idea how far away this is. Zoom. Goodbye, Area 51. See you next time.
Zai.
Zai.